Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you download and install apps from your app store without the Apple ID password. So guys, if you want to download and install the apps from your app store without the Apple ID password, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. Here you can see this. If I am trying to install this app, it is asking for the password, which I don't have right now. So guys, first of all, you have to open settings in your device and now go to screen time and go to content and privacy restrictions, and if the toggle is on, you have to simply go to iTunes and App Store purchases, and after this you have to check this option to don't require. So as you have to simply check this button to don't require from here, and if it is on always require, simply check this button to don't require, and after this go back, and now you have to open your Face ID and passcode settings, enter the passcode for your Apple ID and turn on the toggle for iTunes and App Store. So guys, turn it on and give here the password for one time of your Apple ID. And after this, tap on OK button and wait here for some seconds and close this window and close your App Store as well and open your App Store again. So guys, now try to get any app. So guys, double click to install this app. You have to simply double click this button for one time, and now you can see this, the app is being installed. So guys, here you can see this. Now if you try to get any app, it will not ask you to enter the password. So guys, here you can see this. So guys, in this way you can also download and install apps on your app store without the Apple ID password. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.